Let me start with a question I get all the time. Alla, does Gua Sha actually work, or is it just another relaxing skincare ritual? Because if you've ever used the traditional stone Gua Sha, you know the feeling. It's soothing, relaxing, you feel fancy doing it. But then you look in the mirror the next morning and your jawline still looks soft, your neck still has lines, and puffiness didn't exactly pack its bags. That was me. So when I started hearing about microcurrent Gua Sha designed specifically for the face and neck, I was curious. Is it really different? Does it actually lift muscle? Does it do anything for neck aging, which most tools completely ignore? Today I'm breaking down the INIA Glace Microcurrent Gua Sha device, how it works, how I use it, what results I've personally seen, and whether it's worth your time and money. And before we dive in, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend who's always complaining about her jawline or neck. That small action helps this channel grow and help other women. The name is INIA, comes from the Amazon River dolphin, smooth skin, elegant contours, effortless movement. And honestly, that imagery fits this device perfectly. INIA was created with one goal: to bring professional-grade beauty technology into your home without the confusion, fluff, or unrealistic expectations. They're currently the #1 beauty tech brand on TikTok, and that doesn't happen by accident. What I appreciate is that this brand doesn't just sell gadgets, they focus on muscle activation, lymphatic drainage, inflammation control, and skin recovery, which is exactly what aging skin needs. If you value evidence-based skincare and real explanations, make sure you subscribe. This is INIA Glace Microcurrent Gua Sha device, and it's important to understand why this is different from traditional Gua Sha. A stone Gua Sha moves lymph, relaxes tissue, improves circulation temporarily, but it does not activate muscle. INIA Glace combines a contoured Gua Sha shape, microcurrent EMS, red and blue LED, light therapy, vibration, heating and cooling technology. That combination matters because aging isn't just about skin. It's about muscle laxity, fluid stagnation, inflammation, and collagen slowdown. If you've ever thought Gua Sha was just massage, share this video with a friend because this is where the conversation changes. Let's talk about microcurrent for a second. Microcurrent EMS reaches the muscle layer, not just the surface of the skin. That means facial muscle engagement, improved muscle tone, fibroblast stimulation, support for collagen production. Massage moves fluid, microcurrent trains muscle. And that's why microcurrent devices produce visible lifting over time. This is also why consistency matters. You're not chasing a one-time glow, you are supporting structure. If this explanation is helpful, please like this video and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing. So let's see how to use it. There is an on-off button here and there is a mode button here. There are 4 different modes. One says face, one says neck, one says thermal, and one says cool. So face is for the face, neck is for the neck. Thermal helps with product absorption, so you would use your own serum and you would use thermal. And cool is good for puffiness. So if your face is puffy, you can use the cool mode. The device comes with this hydrating conductive gel that you need to use prior to uses because microcurrent needs the gel. So when I opened the box, the first thing I noticed when I picked up this was how ergonomic it is. It fits jawline, cheek contour, under eye area, neck curve, no awkward angles, no guessing. INIA Glace has 4 different modes and each one targets a specific skin concern. This isn't a one mode for all devices, and that's a good thing. So we're going to talk about neck next. This mode alone makes this device worth discussing. The neck ages faster than the face. The skin is thinner, the muscle support is weaker, and most tools completely ignore it. Neck for mode combines microcurrent EMS, red and blue light, gentle vibration. I use upward strokes to support tightening or downward strokes to encourage lymphatic drainage. Over time, this helps smooth necklines, reduce creasing, improve firmness, support lymph flow. If you know someone hiding her neck with scarves or high collars, share this video with her. So the neck mode takes 6 minutes. When you turn it on, first it's on face. You can use M to move down to neck. Here is neck. There are different strengths. So this is on 1. You can click the on-off button to change the intensity. So 1, 2, now 3. When you start with 1. To turn it off, you just press the on-off button continuously. So let me show you how I do it. This process should take you 6 minutes. I'm not going to show you 6 minutes because the video will take too long. So we're going to apply the gel. You're going to apply it all the way down. When using any energy device, you need to avoid the thyroid area. It's not necessarily that it's bad. We just don't know the long-term effect of using energy devices. Thyroid, so if you touch it by accident, not a big deal. Just don't treat it all the time. So let's turn on the device. I'm switching it to neck, and we are going to start with down movement like this. Make sure that these 2 electrodes touch your skin, and you will do 3 to 5 passes like this on your neck, on each side. Then you're going to move it this way. This is your lymphatic drainage, moving lymphs to lymph nodes. And then we are going to do it on the chest area in down movements like this and up movements like this. So I treated one side of the neck. You can see the difference now. I hope you can see. This is so much smoother than this side, right? So you can see the difference immediately, but the more you use it, the better results you get. So I'm going to show you other modes next. So next one is the sculpting mode. Face lift mode energizes facial muscles, reduces swelling, and improves contour definition. I love doing split face demos because you can actually see one side lifted, one side heavy, one jawline sharper. This is not about freezing your face, it's about muscle tone. And no, you don't need to use this aggressively. Gentle, consistent use is how results build. If you're still watching, make sure you subscribe because this channel is all about realistic, sustainable beauty. So let me show you how to do face next. I'm going to apply gel on one part of my face. Again, this should take you about 6 minutes for both sides of the face. Again, I turn on INIA. It's already in face mode. We are on intensity 1. That's where you should start. After you use it for a while, you can go to other intensities. And this is pretty intense. I can feel it. So this is how we do it. You do feel it. So you do 5-6 passes like this, and then you do this on your forehead like this in upward movements. Again, 5-6 passes, and you should see a lift brow after this. I'm very sensitive on my cheeks. I don't know why. So neck seems to be a better fit for me. I switched it to neck because it's not as intense. You're going to try different modes and see what works for you. Now let's see the difference. I did not do the full 6 minutes, so we might not see, but you can see this side is smoother. It's great. I really love it. So the next one is cool mode. This mode is incredibly underrated. INIA Glace cools to 16 degrees Celsius in 30 seconds. It combines rapid cryo cooling, blue LED, gentle vibration. This is perfect for morning puffiness, redness, sensitive skin, post-sun exposure, post-treatment recovery. Cooling constricts blood vessels, temporarily reduces inflammation, and calms reactive skin. This is the mode I reach for when my skin feels overwhelmed. If you love calming, skin soothing tools, tap like and share this with a friend. And the way it works, you're going to turn it on, change the mode to cool. You will see the blue light, and we do the same kind of movements as before. You can put it under the eyes for the puff in the eyes, and you feel this cooling sensation. This is perfect. This is really nice. And the final mode is thermal infusion mode. It offers 3 heat levels: red LED, vibration. Heat improves circulation and helps skincare penetrate more effectively. This is how I use this device the most. When I apply my serums at night, I use this device. This is how you make your skincare work smarter, not harder. And again, to turn it off is very simple. You're going to change the mode to thermal. You will see red light. And after you apply your serum, you're going to use just the same kind of movements as I showed you before, and it will help absorption into your skin of any serum. This is not meant for this mode. This is also only meant for microcurrent. So here's what I personally noticed: less puffiness, sharper jawline, smoother neck texture, better muscle tone. What I appreciate most is the value. This replaces multiple tools and treatments and targets areas that most devices ignore. If honest reviews matter to you, like this video, hype this video, and share it with others. If you're already doing Gua Sha and want real lifting, this is the upgrade. If you stopped because it didn't work for you, this explains why. You can get the INIA Glace Microcurrent Gua Sha device using my link below. Don't forget to use my discount code for savings. And please support this channel. Like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend, hype it. That support allows me to keep testing product honestly and sharing what actually works. Bye!